Hello and welcome. I've got here the Frankia Neo motorhome. Potentially a dream motorhome. Only it's got a major flaw. And let's have a look inside. Now, if I forget anything, there'll be more information below. Assuming, of course, that I actually remember to do it. So, it's definitely a luxurious motorhome. You can see it's got a double floor. It's got a nice flat floor. It might look a bit dark. I've put on all the lights. Maybe it's the light switch I couldn't find. But they're all on, as you can see. But here's a bit of an oddity. If I see this one here looks as though it's off. But it's on. All right. And so this one is on. That's now off. I think they should all be in the same position. They should be sort of like pressing in down. That means they're on anyway. Never mind, that's a minor point, but I think it's a sort of thing that might sort of wind you up once you've been in it for a while. German layout at the back. We've got storage lost above the bed. Of course, a ledge up here is a place you can actually charge your phones from, and there's a 230 and there's a 230 at the other end as well. But I think it really needs a USB rather than a 230, in my opinion. I do appreciate that in 20 years time we mightn't be using USBs. So there's a reason not to put a USB, but for the moment, let's use them. Here we've got some storage there. Actually, that works okay. No problem there. Here we have on the bed. We can use this to put where my legs are right now. That would be an infill to make an enormous bed at the back, and it comes, of course, with the base plate to make, and that will fit down here. To get in and out of the bed, you won't be able to use the stairs I'm currently standing on. You'll have to use that ladder, and that ladder and everything goes down there. So the bed would be to here. I don't find ladders particularly comfortable, although this one has a bit of an extension to it. And you see it's a bit thicker than most ladders are, so you could put something soft on it. It was one of my viewers put some like I don't know what it's only saw the photographs, but the spongy things on them, and so you could walk up and down the steps. Here, window, and the other side as well, with these decorative elements and a net curtain. Having just got net curtains in my van for the first time ever, I appreciate them. You've got skylights all the way down the vehicle. So from here, I think so far that's reasonable. Now under the bed, you've got a storage opportunity which has been exploited in the Neo to give you all of this. What hasn't been exploited is a great opportunity to put in a light, and that is unfortunate in a vehicle of this price. I didn't tell you what the price is because I don't know what it is at the present time, but for this one here you're looking at least 130,000 euros. So not 130 euros, 130,000. So I like these things. I think they're great. It's a great use of space. Well, often you find at the back of them they don't go at the very edge of the wall. Storage in there, you can see through to the garage, and here is nothing. This is the sort of thing that winds me up. Why is there a space there? They could have put a bar in, which would cost next to nothing, and that would then say, oh, that's sort of a wardrobe or something like that, a little bit extra space. But there's nothing there. It's empty space. I can't stand seeing empty space in motorhomes. I do, however, like to see things like this. A place to hang up your bath towels, your towels, or your whatever you hang up from there. And in here, so this is on, the light. And in here we have the great failure of this van. Wonderful size shower tray. Wonderful, lovely, wonderful size shower. Look at this space. And height, fantastic. I'm 1.75 m. Because sorry, not over there, but there you go. You can see space there. It's this. Just been in a vehicle and it was broken. This is my second vehicle I've been in here, Frankia, during this caravan salon. Let's see if this works. I haven't tried this. Alright, that works. Okay, no problem there. Let me put it back in. It's quite heavy as well. Okay, what about the toilet? Does the toilet work? Toilet works. Good. But that is the problem. These things, there was 1 year, half of them I tried were broken. And this is a major potential failing. And toilet go, I mean, lots of things can break and it doesn't make that much difference. I've got a problem now. My batteries, I've got a problem with the battery. I don't know what's happened. We've been at caravan salon, haven't had a chance to check it. Just okay, fair enough. I'll sort that one out before I leave. But that's replaceable. But if your toilet goes, it goes when it's out. It's not a problem. What do you do when it goes when it's in? And that can happen. These toilets are a major problem. Okay, coming into the kitchen. I think the kitchen looks very modern. Fridge down here. Countertop. The sink. Very nice. Two burners. Looks modern. I think that's great. No problems there. And here, drawers, large table, plenty of space. Here's an oddity. You've got a key to lock the bed in position, but now there you go. There's the instructions. Care should be taken as the risk of falling out when the bunk is used by children, especially under 6 years of age. Not really a problem actually, because there's a net under there, but what happens is this. It's manual. And that's the size of the bed. I can't show you the bed actually fully down because I left the chair in the upright position. But there's, I think it's a very good bed, very good size. You've got ventilation above, very nice. It's a bit heavy pushing it up. Oh. You have to put the chairs down like that. It's an easy job to do. And I left this one here like this. So when I come in here, I can sit in it here like this and admire the motorhome. As you're sitting here, you've got storage there, got a bit of space there. Though of course I like things to be covered so they don't move around. Well, they will move around if they're covered, but they won't move out. Note, what we've got here is the double floor. So let's have a look at that. You've got your water tank there, and that gives you an idea of how deep the double floor is. There's the frost guard, so you can release the water down there. There's the frost guard. Here on the right, we've got the boiler, the water pump. Easy to access the water pump. I know, don't break that off, and mind you, I got through 3 water pumps last year. Although fair to say it was in 2 different vehicles. And here we've got, this comes up. Oh, it doesn't want to though. Yes, it does. There's a place to put your shoes as soon as you come into the vehicle. You can see again, depth of the double floor. Storage on the outside. We've got, this is a Frankia smart load system. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. And wherever you're standing, you can get your stuff out the rear. Often you can't use this door but you can use the side doors. Note that the doors are the same size either end. That is, I think, the best garage in the business. Not the biggest, and obviously you want a really big garage, you can get one, but for the size of the vehicle, that is absolutely stunning. Another thing which is really good is that this. You've got the gas cylinders, you can get them in and out quite easily. Look at that, look how easy that was. And then you have to lift them up. I mean, that's not so easy lifting them up, but you can't expect the manufacturer to lift your gas cylinders up for you. Get a permanent solution in there instead. It's much easier just to come to the fuel station and fill up as you do with petrol, or diesel I should say rather. Watch out, it clicks into position. It's clicked into position. Yeah, look at that. It's in. Here, let's have another look at the double floor, and so you can see how deep it is. And you can see also this is a cushion which has been left on the floor, don't know why. And here we've got the driver's door, something I've recently become a fan of when I wasn't before. Oh, nice bar here to get a hold of when you close it. Yeah, very nice door, lovely door. Okay, there you have it. A absolutely outstanding vehicle on the Mercedes, except for that toilet. And that toilet is an absolute deal breaker for me, and because of it, I'm very much regret to say that this is not a vehicle that I would recommend. Isn't it a pity? Why can't they sort that one out? It is so easy to sort out. Thanks for watching.